5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Engine ignition. Liftoff.
Stage 1 propulsion is nominal. Vehicle is pitching downrange.
Hi, welcome into my channel. This channel is against the Big Bang, the current view of astronomy, against the Doppler, against everything like this. I discovered many things. I have 42 years old. I study philosophy, I have a degree of philosophy. I'm from Europe, Romania. So from European Union, okay? So I discovered the Big Bang is false and many things. So I started this channel like for free to tell you these things for free, okay? I'm saying like a tea science, coffee science. It's only a pretext for this coffee with milk. And I studied a list about Euclid. If you know, it was launched with Elon Musk rocket like a month ago, like this.
And that is where the single Merlin vacuum engine will light up and propel the second stage along with ESA's Euclid spacecraft to orbit.
So you know, this is the way I made my videos. I cut and interrupt and put some pictures and things for you. So you saw that launch, Elon Musk launched it. It is a telescope, like WaveGen space telescope, like 1,000,000 miles or kilometers. So it took the first picture, this one. So let's say some black and white and some stuff. And I wanted to begin a list, and from the beginning to tell you, they are searching for dark energy and dark matter. So for this, I took from European Space Agency a 3-minute video. You'll see it all of it here in my video. I cut it like 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. Okay, you'll hear what this girl is saying. Okay, that they started this mission to find dark matter and black energy and things like this. Okay, so listen the first part.
In 1915, Albert Einstein astonished the world with his general theory of relativity. It described the behaviour of the entire universe based on the matter and energy contained within it. The theory sparked the modern discipline of cosmology and the hope that we would finally understand how the universe came to be. But in recent times, the effort to define what the universe is made of has given us a very big surprise. Visible stars and galaxies make up less than 5% of the universe's total matter and energy. Beneath this visible layer is a mysterious celestial realm, consisting of shadowy particles and unknown energy fields. For decades, astronomers have puzzled at their nature, calling these elusive substances dark matter and dark energy.
So after you heard that, okay, I always telling you that the things maybe simple or not. This is the main mistake. The old guys, philosophers, named the movement mechanical movement with energy. Energy. It is not electricity. Energy. It means power. It means work, mechanical work, movement, energy from Greek. And this is this. It seems stupid or not, but they are this stupid, if you understand. So they are identified electricity, like light electricity, or what you are filming on from the battery with kinetic energy of movement. So now they are searching kinetic energy of movement of pure empty space. They are crazy. You do not understand. So I'm telling you why the science is wrong. These two guys, 60-40, 60-32, 60, you see Leibniz and Newton, one from Germany, Deutschland, and one from England, they discovered the same thing. What is force for Newton is mass times acceleration is kinetic energy for Leibniz. They did not made the equation for electricity. The electricity was discovered in 1700s, after when these guys were dying, okay? So this kinetic energy is movement energy, and this is telling you why the science is wrong. You cannot equate mass times acceleration 1.5 mass times velocity square, and this will tell you what's the level of all the professor on this planet, or physics professor, and all the mathematicians. They do not understand this. You cannot equate Newton with Leibniz. They did the mechanical movement in the same time, two different ways. They invented the same mathematics, that's why I tricked. So the kinetic energy is movement energy, okay? So listen another minute from this girl. They are searching dark energy and black matter.
ESA's Euclid mission will go in search of the answer to the fundamental question: what is the universe made of? A European-designed mission, Euclid is built and operated by ESA, with contributions from the International Euclid Consortium and NASA. ESA selected Thales Alenia Space to lead on building Euclid, with Airbus Defence and Space providing the telescope and payload module. The telescope and scientific instruments form the heart of the mission. Together, they will observe billions of galaxies over more than 1/3 of the sky. Producing record quantities of data, Euclid will enable scientists to draw a precise map of the universe across space and time. This will allow researchers to investigate the effects of dark matter and dark energy on the apparent shape of galaxies and on their motion and distribution over immense distances. In turn, this will help reveal the true nature of dark matter and dark energy.
So you heard that minute again, okay? They are searching black matter and dark energy. You understand that you cannot have a dark mechanical movement, and you understand. So if you understand the relation between electricity and kinetic energy is like you are putting a wind turbine in a blast of an explosion. The blast of the explosion has a kinetic energy of mass, pushing mass. And that energy will move a rotated blade at a wind turbine and produce electricity. You understand the relation? So energy is not kinetic energy, and Einstein is false science. I already made a video. Quantum mechanics is stupid science. Bohr, all of this I discovered. Big Bang is false, okay? So watching now the last minute from this video, she is saying that dark energy and black matter, this is what they are searching with this Euclid.
The spacecraft and data communications will be controlled from ESA's European Space Operations Centre in Darmstadt. To cope with the vast amounts of data Euclid will acquire, ESA's S-track network of deep space antennas has been upgraded. These data will be analysed by the Euclid Consortium, a group of more than 2,000 scientists from more than 300 institutes across Europe, the US, Canada and Japan. Understanding the elusive nature of the universe has drawn astronomers throughout history. It remains one of the most challenging investigations in modern science, but Euclid is up to the task. The Euclid mission is a quest into the unknown, a mission to shine a light on the dark side of the universe.
So I started a list, a full new list, all the picture that will appear from this, and I already comment Hubble pictures and Webb Space Telescope picture, and let's hope this is good. But I wanted to tell you from the beginning to see like a proof, like a testimony, like you have like a testimony, like a tribunal testimony, okay? To understand that if for the beginning I've told you this. You cannot find dark energy in black matter because energy is kinetic energy of movement, and this is proving to you what is the level all the professor from Deutschland in all the Europe in China, they do not know that you cannot equate this with this one, and they are two different equations. So they are searching kinetic energy, dark matter, dark kinetic energy. What they are searching? Can you have dark movement? So you understand? That's what I want to tell you. But I want to tell you that they are tricking you. They made our galaxy from a sphere, that is a sphere, a spiral. You can see this girl, it is showing to you from ESA, this girl voice. She's reciting what she was put to, okay? So our galaxy is a sphere, not a spiral. A spiral you should see on the night sky 3-4 bands if you live in a spiral, and a spiral goes inside and will not recycle the movement. The gravity is a simple force put in a circle. F or Newton did not calculate it correct. The orbits is not due to mass. So our galaxy was a big ball of matter, like full of mainly water, liquid, like hydrogen, carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, liquid, vapor, with noble gases, all the mandala together in a big sphere. And it was electroshock like, and it was creating some poles, and the matter was pushed at the bottom of our galaxy. These pictures, all of the pictures space telescope shows to you the board of our galaxy, not the universe. Sometimes I film my monitor, so not the whole video but a few seconds in my video, but it's faster for me to make it like this. So I started to release this Euclid. Euclid is a telescope, so it filmed the first picture like this one, and this is the site. So I started the list because it's put like James Space Telescope. This is European Space Agency telescope. So this is what it's about. But I show to you where is the ESA. ESA means European Space Agency, like NASA. So this is, they film already this picture. So you know that I'm telling you that galaxies, these are simply stars in clouds, and this black stuff, it is matter. It is real matter. This you can download them from here. So I presented it even the site. And like James Space Telescope, this is the trial. If you know, the James Space Telescope made the same, a trial image, and if you want, this is the site. So I will start a list only about Euclid. If Euclid makes like a James Space Telescope, there are maybe near 100 pictures. So I will follow this to this space telescope, Euclid. It's exactly like James Space put in L orbit. So I want to talk about this picture. This picture, if you know, I want to tell you in this channel the Big Bang is false. So always, and this picture already proves, and I didn't want to miss a bit. If they will make picture, I will complete this idea, but it's already proves to you that there is that the galaxies are stars, and if the gravity will be attraction, this will collapse. You see how close they are? They will collapse, and this line. So this is what I want to tell you. This is a star, and this black stuff, there's clouds, but it only shown here. It does not have power to illuminate. That black stuff is the end of our galaxy. It's one day with the speed of light. all what you are seeing, it is inside our spherical galaxy. This is how it was produced. The stars are like plucked, put in clouds at the border of our galaxy, that is a sphere, a small sphere with the speed of light. So there's normal black matter that surrounds this sphere. Like in a night sky you have clouds of rain, and in that rain clouds represent some lightning. In this manner the galaxy extract energy from that clouds, and there are small clouds. And the stars are smaller than our sun. They do not produce thermal energy, and it is shocking or not, it is true, and you understand the level of physics of the entire planet. This is more scary than what I'm telling you, because you are doing present times. The chemistry is even somehow wrong. It is engineering type science. Albert Einstein is wrong physics, quantum mechanics, this is crazy stuff, and even Newton, and this they are two for the mechanical, for this fact, for falling bodies, and this there are two equations, and you cannot put 1.5 mass time velocity to equal with this one. You must be like a 6th grade mathematics to understand that this is not equal with this one. So they're searching dark energy of what? Of kinetic energy. So there is a kinetic energy of impact, dark dark impact. So you understand what's stupid? European Space Agency and NASA, you understand that they are crazy and stupid. So our galaxy is just one day from Pluto, 4 billion miles or kilometers. It begins one day with the speed of light, full of stars. One day from Pluto, the stars begin, and they're small, like the moon dimension, and smaller than the moon, and they're plucked, and they're producing light in any manner that you are thinking, with clouds, no clouds, like with electricity, even with flames maybe, but okay. So from Pluto there's one day with the speed of light, full of stars, like in a membrane, spherical membrane. And this then becomes what they are searching. Dark matter was invented to not understand when it's turned out the light, all the matter is black. Also in this video, this was, you see, NASA channel. So sorry, but I filmed the monitor sometimes, but I speak from my table, but it's fast to insert also some ideas. So they are saying, you see, gravitational arcs, they were saying gravitational lensing, but when you see this straight line, you see, they do not have what to say, because gravity, they said that it bends light, like it. So I'm telling you that this black stuff, these clouds, and all of these are simply stars, and they falsify Einstein's false physics. They falsify that Einstein curve space, because you see these bendings, you see, and this is realized only in water. If you see this, you see, like that's my you see light through something, you see. So like exactly like this, like it is through something, and it proves that it is through something. This is my, like, my lamp from my bureau, from my, where I have, okay. So you see this web picture, it is when you have something around the light matter, it bends the light, and they falsify the Einstein bended pure space. But you do not understand that this black stuff, there's matter. This is the last picture, today picture of NASA channel. So but now you see that it is straight line here. So what bendings of light, like in a curved manner, if you have this straight line here. So this is could only be realized because the light travels to a surface. And you see this, these are not infant galaxy or something. This is already full form stars. All of this. This is the board of our galaxy. The stars do not have to be like this, you see, like point like this. And even this is not like our sun. These stars are cold. This place is cold, is not emitting thermal emission. And this black stuff has hydrogen, oxygen. All over in Webb Space Telescope it was registered, hydrogen, oxygen. You can watch a video that I made. I put all the pictures from the hydrogen, oxygen. And the stars, this is a star, this is a star, this is a star, everything, this is a star. It is not like incipient, like the young universe. Here is the board of our galaxy. Einstein physics is false physics, and Einstein being a Jew, they used to trick you. They was expecting us to see in Hubble, if you know astronomy. There are many places on the sky that show to you this bending of light, and the light bends only on a surface. And for you to not understand that it is real matter, they invented that Einstein curved space. And they are saying that this is galaxies, incipient galaxies, like forming. But I'm telling you, this is actual current day galaxies, stars, not galaxies, stars. Galaxies are not gravitational systems, are simply stars in clouds, like this, you see? There's a cloud. I will put the picture separate, you see? And there's matter. And this is what they do not want you to understand. And what I want to tell you is that for Euclid I will follow up all the picture, and it is inevitable. These things, you see, this the border, these are clouds, and these are stars, all of them. And gravity is not attraction, this will collapse. So there are clouds, black clouds, and there is electromagnetic energy like circulates through this black stuff. So this is Webb James Space Telescope official, you see, web.org, and this is this picture. You can download them from here, you see, good stuff, okay, good quality. This is the last today picture, like today pictures, and you see this bending, I will put a picture, you see they magnify this zone and this line. You cannot have bending and to be a straight line, straight line, gravitational bending of. So this is proves to you that there's matter there, and light reflects like in a mirror, like in a surface of the water. And this is the board of our galaxy. This black stuff is like clouds, and the block like a sphere, and beyond this black stuff becomes what you are calling current day the universe. We cannot see the universe. These are simply stars, not galaxy formation. Or so that's why I want to speak about Euclid, okay, this. But from the beginning, Euclid, if you will make pictures from the beginning, I want to tell you this. Like, because they're searching dark matter. I will speak supplementary from my table. So this is the first one. Next, if you go the second picture, I'll put them separately. You see they wrote like this. These are invented dimensions. Like this is like invented like kilometers, miles. This was some crazy dude invented, like parsecs. 800,000 light years. You cannot see, you cannot put, if you make a triangle like this, you cannot see 800,000 light years. So I'm telling you, this is in one day with the speed of light, and these objects are small objects, smaller than the moon, and they're putting clouds. And the stars, they are not like our sun. They are cold, and they do not burn to burn these gases. These are gases with different types of of neon gas, if you know, noble gases produce different colors of light, like this. Like a neon produces red light, blue, orange, and all kinds of. So if you have neon gas with a cold star, you obtain this effect. So they were lying that Einstein did this. Einstein is false physics, I'm telling you. This is exactly like this, you see? Something blocks the light to be straight. And like in a fog, in a cloud, you know. And that's why I wanted to tell you from the beginning, Euclid, because this is their mission. You will see, they are searching the, you see, this is our stars. Not in the different form or formation or ages. This is current actual day stars. All of them full formed. This is the way how they look. They are not similar. And gravity is not attraction. This will collapse. Is not. They do not know what it is with them. It's a rotating circular force. Like, you see? And they revealing the matter for the different colors. You see? And they are simply stars submerged. Like there is a thick membrane with one day without after Pluto there is one day with the speed of light, and you reach this black stuff. It continues one day through black clouds without anything in them. One day with the speed of light through black clouds, and then this, because this is like a membrane, and then begins what you call in current day the universe. These are simply stars, you see, and they are lying to you. But when you say the gravitational lensing and you see a straight line, what lensing, what bending of space? This is straight line. It proves to you that is matter there. Okay, so I will speak supplementary from my table, a big video. But okay, and third picture the same, but annotated or not. This the same without being noted. And you see, I told you from where you can have a good quality. You can download it. You saw that, okay, and they're very good quality. This is the official site. And you could not get a better quality, even a NASA channel like this. If you go in NASA channel, NASA government channel, this is the official web. So you see this is matter, you see, and it is a straight line. It is not something to bend. They say that some gravity bends like this. They do not know what gravity is. They are stupid. So I explained to you, everything is a star in our current day, and you can reach it here with one day with the speed of light. After Pluto, you go one day with the speed of light and you reach this. This is not a galaxy, it's a cloud, like you have a cloud when it rains, and it's full with junk and with different type of gases, noble gases, produces different colors, you see, blue, orange, like neon gas. You see Einstein's with blue, different colors, and this is the way how they are looking, because they are illuminated through the clouds. But they do not have the power to show to you. Like, let me show to you an example. You see my internet modem. You see that light, and it is dark in the chamber. They do not have power. You are believing that there is no matter there, but it's my internet receiver. You see it. But does not have power to reveal, to show to you. So in this is identical the case. That black stuff is matter, but I show to you these bulbs do not have power to reveal everything. Only what is in their vicinity. But you're telling that they are good, they making a good job even. You see? You can see like there's not black, you see? You see, like a fog everywhere, you see? And this is the word, this today was made, okay? So this is like in curved manner, they could lie that it is bending of Einstein's stupid physics, okay, lying stuff. But this straight line, it proves to you that there's matter there. You see, strips. This black stuff is matter. Look, this matter exactly like, okay. So this is my channel because I discover all of this. The Big Bang is false, quantum mechanics is false, Einstein is false physics, dark matter, dark energy, even Maxwell is wrong physics. So this is what I want to tell you, but mainly about Euclid. This Euclid space, okay, it is similar with Webb space telescope, like this James Webb, okay. This is a NASA. If you can go here, Hubble, NASA channel, Hubble pictures, James Space is put beyond, okay, the moon, and this is similar. And now it was launched by Elon Musk. It is a European Union space telescope, and I hope to comment all the pictures. This is the first one only that I showed to you, and I put them separate, and I explain to you why I started this channel, okay. This is our galaxy. We cannot see the universe. Our galaxy is a sphere, and all of these are stars contemporary with us. We can reach here now with our current rockets. Okay, goodbye. God bless. Let me put this part like this. It will take me forever to make these long videos. You do not understand. It will take me like one day, full day, and I have something else to do, like with my computer. When I pack a video, it takes me one day even. So that's why I film this. So hope my monitor is fast for me. That to not comment, you know, like with the microphone. I film with my phone, the monitor, and I talk to you. Okay, so I presented to you even the Webb Space official NASA channel, NASA's official channel, and now ESA, European Space Agency, with this beginning of filming Euclid picture. Okay, so goodbye. Enter, like, subscribe. This is my channel. It's a beginning channel, but like, subscribe, you will help me. This will shock the entire planet, what I have to tell you. It is true, I'm not lying, okay. Goodbye. The matter does not produce light is black, so ordinary matter is black, dark. So there is real matter there. The stars are pouring it, and mainly I discover that it is hydrogen, oxygen. You can see in a spectrography from Webb Space Telescope appear hydrogen, oxygen all over the place. Already in all the Webb Space Telescope pictures appear hydrogen, oxygen. This is the main matter that is there in different states, like vapor, liquid, in hydrogen, liquid hydrogen, minus 255, minus 275 degrees, helium, hydrogen becomes liquid. So the space temperature are not gaseous like you are saying. So after you reach Pluto, one day with the speed of light is full of stars, small like the moon. One year towards another, because gravity is not attraction. Body does not attract due to mass. They are crazy. They do not know physics on an entire planet. You understand that what crazy they are? Gravity is force. Newton force put in a circle. So this is a hitting force. Most commonly, it is not attraction. So gravity could not produce what they are saying, galaxies. So the stars, I'm telling you, that's more than the moon, billion, trillion of stars. There's junk like a full ocean with pieces, because there is electromagnetic field and extract energy from there. And when the star finishes, it is still black matter, dark matter, but ordinary matter, not dark energy, dark matter. Ordinary hydrogen, oxygen, carbon like fumes result in a burn matter and like this. But the most of the stars are cold, okay? And when the stars end, it became one day with the speed of light, clouds. I found this, okay? I don't have time how to tell you, okay? I studied philosophy, I studied this, I discovered that Einstein is false, quantum mechanics, tricks for this planet, gravitational lensings, fusion, this false science to fuse hydrogen in carbon. I discovered all of this, okay? I discovered Big Bang is false, Planck and Bohr and all this Schrödinger stuff and this crazy science, my friends, okay? So I'm telling you this in my channel. So when the stars end, it became, it is one day with the speed of light, clouds. And then it is what you are calling current day the universe. It's light, but this is like a membrane, like a fake membrane of clouds in a sphere. And it blocks the horizon, the events that are beyond this. You cannot put in a sphere in a telescope only one day with the speed of light, or in a lunar. Light diminishes with the distance. You see a man from a mountain like this. You see the stars from the sky. How far is the man from a mountain? How powerful is your eyes if you see the stars at night? How far they are? There's this crazy. This crazy is the current day actual scientists, and they arrest the children only for them to take money at school. And even the chemistry is wrong. I can tell you all this stuff, okay? Discover this. Okay, so after you reach the last star, you can reach it with Elon Musk rocket and in current actual day, or with a Russian rocket, or with a Long March Chinese. This is the most performant rockets that we have, or with a NASA rocket, the Artemis. These rockets in current day can reach the stars 50 years, 5 and 0, 50 years will take us, and we go there. You must accelerate them, and you reach the stars. You understand how close they are, and then this term universe was invented for you to be tricked, because after the star end, it becomes what you are calling current day universe. We do not know there are another galaxies, spherical or not like ours. They do not know how matter can be arranged, and there could be, but that galaxies that they are supposing that they are with planets and rotating stuff, they are simply clouds, small clouds, full of junks and crystals and electroshocked and produce light, and in a cold manner, 90% of them, okay? So we do not know what it is. That's why the Bible does not refer to the universe. Is a Latin word to trick you. All over the place in the Jewish Bible says the skies and earth. That's why. And the Christian, Judeo-Christian, is the same Bible, okay? So from the beginning I want to tell you this, because it is a new telescope, and I want to put it in front of the list to understand that he told you this like it is maybe a year. There's 3 years where I discovered, 4 years, okay? You understand the freedom of speech on this planet, okay? So
Vehicle will be landing for its second time today, and just before the landing burn begins, we will also have SECO 1 on the second stage. That is second engine cutoff 1. That's where we'll shut down that MVAC engine on the second stage. This is the first of 2 burns for this mission, and that is coming up here in just a few seconds, followed by the landing burn about 20 seconds after that.
our galaxy is a sphere. It was voided inside, it was pushed at the border. There's a membrane, a cloud membrane, full of stars, and then it is what you are calling the universe. But all the galaxies are simply stars, small bodies, okay? So goodbye, God bless. My next section, I'll comment, like it's a long video, but I want to be from the beginning to tell you this. Like if Euclid will not will make pictures. It will not break, or it will function like James Space already has like maybe 100 pictures. The same, I will comment all the pictures, and you will see, because they could not film only in this sphere. This sphere is not in expansion, so I proved the expansion of the Doppler, the entire science. Okay, this sphere is a static sphere. 99% of the stars are static, they're not moving. So and they are close, one day with the speed of light. Okay, goodbye. God bless. Watch my next section. I fail my monitor, so you must excuse that. We can go to the stars, the planets. We can colonize them like islands. No, and they are lying to you. And you can get all the mathematician on this entire planet. You understand how stupid they are. They do not know how to equate 1.5 mass times velocity square with mass times acceleration. This is the level of mathematics on the entire planet. Goodbye. So you can see here better this Euclid. This yesterday picture, maybe now it's yesterday, it's after midnight here. It's 1 o'clock. Okay, so you see two ideas in this picture already. The first picture from Euclid, like James Space, okay? The gravity is not attraction. These stars are smaller distances, you see? Than the stars themselves. The stars are not like our sun, even these ones, like this. These are not like our sun. And if the gravity will be, attraction will collapse. The sun, it is says that it maintains Pluto 4 billion kilometers. So you understand that these smaller distances, because the star cannot have a billion kilometers. So there are smaller distances than the stars themselves. But I'm telling you, the gravity is not attraction. These stars are smaller than the moon. All of them are smaller than the moon, and you do not understand in this black stuff. There's an electromagnetic energy full of radiation. It goes through a pole, from a pole to a pole in our galaxy, that it is a sphere. And this is the border. This black stuff is the border of our galaxy. And they are plugged. The stars are plugged like in a magnetic field that you do not see, like in clouds. And all of these stars, okay, this Euclid, and what you are calling galaxies like this, it's a star with clouds, exactly like rain clouds, you understand, like in vapor manner, like a fog manner. But and they do not end here, but the star does not have power to illuminate. You understand? So galaxies are not like with sun and rotational system, like gravitational system. So this is, I wanted to comment for you the first picture from Euclid. To understand from the beginning, I will take on all the pictures that will make. The telescope will not break. So I'm telling you, all of these are smaller than the moon. Stars, gravity is not attraction, and that black stuff, there's still matter. And beyond that black stuff, ordinary matter from Mendeleev, not dark energy or dark matter, they are searching this. Ordinary matter, the matter like when you do not have light, it is black. You go outside when it's darkness and you have not lights. The matter is black, all the matter is black. Black matter, ordinary matter, all the Mendeleev is black. And I want to tell you that beyond this black stuff, if you go here one day with the speed of light, you must pass through this black stuff, like you have a plane or aeroplane, and you pass through some clouds to go somewhere with an aeroplane. So you must walk one day with the speed of light, and you intersect where you reach what you are calling current day. The universe is beyond this. This is inside the sphere, and this is in all the galaxies are like this. inside our galaxy, or a single real galaxy, and the universe is a term they invented for you to not understand all this stuff. These stars are not like our sun, and they are smaller than the moon, and they are close. One day, with the speed of light, you reach this star. You can reach this star with Elon Musk rocket. You can reach the stars with a Chinese rocket, or with a Russian rocket, with Long March Chinese, or Elon Musk Falcon 9. You can reach here like 50 years, like in 50 years. Okay, this is what I want to tell you in this video, the first video about Euclid. I will talk supplementary for my table, so excuse me, I feel my monitor, I explain to you why. So I want to be like a testimony. I will start the full list with this telescope. That's why I started the channel. Goodbye.